Hello! In this video, we will learn when to capitalize letters in holidays, dates, and names. Here is a riddle. Guess what day today is? It's our nation's birthday. It's my favorite holiday. What day is it? It's Independence Day. The words day, today, birthday, and holiday are not capitalized. They are common nouns. They do not name any specific holiday. But the phrase Independence Day is a proper noun. It does name a specific holiday. Both words have a capital letter. Which holiday is your favorite? Could it be Thanksgiving? Valentine's Day? Arbor Day? Perhaps it's New Year's Day. Notice that all words in a holiday's name have a capital letter. Read this sentence. Tomorrow will be Sunday, January 1st. Sunday is capitalized because it's a specific day of the week. January is capitalized because it's a specific month of the year. Remember, capitalize the names of specific days and months. In the first sentence, school names any school, so it is not capitalized. But César Chávez Elementary School is a proper noun. It names a specific school, so all the words in the name have capital letters. Look at these sentences. In the first sentence, the word market names any market, so it does not need to be capitalized. But Tasty Market is a specific market. Both words are capitalized. And that's how you capitalize letters in holidays, dates, and names. See you next time!